by 888. Yeah.
Woo!
2.
Woo!
So,
Woo!
wants to say something.
Yeah. So yeah, I should probably take these off.
Everybody's here. Looks like we should probably get on the road. Except Jeff.
Jeff's not here.
Oh yeah, Jeff's not here.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we've got Jeff.
Oh, I thought that was Jeff.
Good to go.
It's a little rainy, but we're optimistic. Pretty good.
Right, we have taken a break, sort of, to just get some water.
7K. First 7K of the trip. Got a lot more of them to go.
First day is 80 kilometers, so that's getting there.
Easiest 7K we'll ever do.
So this is the last stop for a long, long while. So we're gonna get a whole bunch of water, store the water, and use it like some kind of camel. Say something funny, Jeff, come on. Say something.
No.
Look at him, he's such a clown. Come on, Jeff, say something funny. You're a hilarious guy. I know you have it in you.
No, I don't.
Oh, you wanker.
What do you got to say, Jeff?
Nipple, you give the camera a smile. Come on, smile right there, look at that. Oh, you look so... Smile, Matt. Ugh. Let's go back to Nipple. And
21.5 kilometers.
21.5 kilometers, man, that's a quarter. It's a quarter right there. And we're all good, it's not even like 10. What time is it?
9:20.
9:20. Beautiful. We have loads of time. Look at Jeff. He's like chill. He's cross country, man. Look at those calves of steel.
Always says. We got some grapes going on here. Some grape action.
Yes, we got some grape action. And you all just love grape. I'm gonna take one right there. Ah! Look at Matt.
Working.
Turn.
What?
Yeah, look at that. That is hard work, folks. That is hard work.
And it's the back. Yo, how do I look? Oh my God.
You're Michael.
As pale as your skin.
Yeah, you
burn.
What do I got going on back here? Like nothing.
Oh wow, you got an absolute
Nothing.
Nothing. You're good.
I'm a little moist. I'm a little moist.
Yeah, but look at you. You are wet, man.
Me?
No.
He's got it.
Yeah, yo.
He's got it.
I'm feeling good.
Boys are working.
Woo! Quarter of the trip done, man.
Yeah.
I hereby pronounce this
Bike trip. Mike trip.
Oh, you look like such a hump. You look like such a pansy. I just want to be like.
Oh, crab bites, sir. Come on in. Come on in. Here's my crib. Here's brick on table. Never know when you might need an house brick. It's rough round here.
6th line and Steeles Avenue. That's where we're at. Let's keep going, yeah? Alright. Alright, we are in the middle of nowhere. Not lost, just not really anywhere. Anyways.
And then like a couple cars also there.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at Jeff.
Want to take a turn or taking a piss?
Jeff's natural habitat is southern Ontarian forest.
Green Bay Packers. So we're just taking a short break. Look at Josh. Look at that, Matt.
I am the cameraman.
Cameraman.
How's it going, Josh?
Great. My nuts feel awesome.
Is that so?
Yeah, my knee doesn't, which fucking sucks.
Die.
Yep. Seems Jeff has just learned how to use the bug spray.
Yeah, you tried to fight me, bitch. Jeff, it's not even going on.
If you've watched the last video, you know he has bad luck with all types of sprays. Gets in his eyes, in his nose, in his ears, and sometimes even in his mouth. That is probably the most dangerous of all.
Shut up. What are you saying?
So we're like stopping for like 10 minutes or so. Mike, how are we doing? What's the situation?
Great, Faisal. Great.
I mean, in numbers.
Yay!
62
62 kilometers. 62.13 kilometers.
We 18 kilometers away. We're this close.
Our average speed is 15 kilometers an hour.
Our average is 15 kilometers an hour.
At that rate,
We will
finish.
finish.
Decent. It's not
We'll be
that,
done.
That's
like,
decent. Yes.
Total biking time is 3 hours 54 minutes.
It's all this
not
crap.
including stops.
There's so much crap that we're carrying. I think 15 is okay.
And Faisley slowing us down.
Yeah.
Yes, I did bust my knees for a little while.
Yeah.
Fairly busted. Hard to notice, but they are.
We should get you guys tensors.
Actually,
I actually swallowed a whole bunch of
yesterday
Tylenol
Megan was
pills.
like, Josh, bring tensors because you're gonna hurt yourselves. I'm like, well, I guess. It's like,
should've
make sure you
gone.
have a first aid kit.
I have a first aid.
I am first aid man.
Yeah, that I wanted.
This guy, first aid man.
Great.
Look at him. Can we really trust our lives?
Yeah, we're all screwed now.
hands.
We're all screwed.
Maybe.
I may have put a little vinegar in the ointment.
Woo! A little vinegar in the ointment. That's gonna burn. Very nice.
Yeah.
And we're eating all sorts of chocolates
Let's like eat over here.
and other fatty foods because
Like a little clubhouse.
ours. Peanut free. And, well, it says here, private property, no trespassing, but I think that's okay because we're tired. Anyways, 18 kilometers left. I think we can do it.
You know, I feel like we've learned a lot from Ron and Diane.
Ain't that just so cute?
So damn wrench.
It's a cross.
I think that's
Opposed to the usual heart, they decided to go with the cross.
Ron plus Diane.
Equals some deformed creature. Something.
Ryan.
Ryan, there you go.
John. An animal from the pits of hell.
Precisely.
We're in Wasaga, we should get a football.
Speaking of balls, let's get rolling.
Now these guys are just so mature.
Oh man,
Oh
I had to
yeah.
ice my balls.
My ass feels like it's just.
Arrived at the Atlanta Motel at 6 o'clock.
We're in Orangeville.
82 kilometers from Oakville.
Tomorrow's gonna be 94. I don't think I can do that.
94 kilometers tomorrow. Can we do it?
That's like
No. No, we cannot.
No.
sweet shelter is my salvation.
We all arrived. We all arrived in one piece, or should I say, 8 pieces.
That was quite lame.
Yeah, it was.
What about you, Jordan?
Honestly, I feel like.
Can you top that? Well, I'd say something funny. Who's the wazzle?
Or a classic.
What?
A perennial favorite. Who's a wazzle?
Yes.
Woo! What does Josh
I'm Josh.
have to say? Yes.
Have to say.
What does Josh have to say?
My ass hurts so much. And
Footage there.
You know that's going in the video, right? Like
Yeah.
right there. Like the one clip guaranteed to be in the video is just you. My ass hurts so much.
My ass hurts
it
like
does.
a bitch.
That's what happens when you go on a trip with guys, right?
Jeff, what do you think? Oh, look at him stretching. He's a pro.
Napoleon.
We're sitting here in our fat asses and we're gonna be waking up tomorrow.
You wanna see how
You keep doing that on your
Yep. I was just gonna say.
Wow, why would you do that?
That's fairly pro.
Now I'm gonna smell that.
You don't have to smell it.
Everybody's
sound
got to do
is
some
coming.
leg stretches. Like, you're gonna regret it tomorrow if you don't. Even though it's nice to be lazy.
Oh my leg.
I won't take orders from Captain Breakdown.
Take my chances.
He's slowly begun to lose his mind.
Sorry, David.
Come on, man.
I don't know what to tell you.
The definition of what's real and what's not.
Jeff, there's a free
Don't
bed.
get
I'm just gonna lie down then.
kiss my foot?
Eat the back sweat. Eat the back sweat.
See, film that. That's
The
funny.
slow spiral into madness is.
I know.
Jeff pauses.
Your self-awareness will not help you now, Faisal.
I'm out. Dinner of champions. Look at my.
Please go so bad, and he goes like daily.
3 large pizzas and several boxes of crap.
Cover up this red flashing light.
Pieces of your frogs.
Once you go black, you can't get credit.
Alright, this is the room beside ours. We've taken 2 rooms. David's slightly afraid of strangers in the night.
Faisal, man, this isn't so.
And this is the other room. And
You like sobering half-naked men?
it's moist in this room. Very weird, but okay.
Your pants are moist. That's disgusting.
Who is that in the...
Even a little bit low. It'll take away humidity.
Ah,
That's David.
hey.
I'm okay if we don't need to
Pay
see
for that
that.
shot.
Don't worry, I'm pretty sure he's wearing pants. I've yet to check.
Would you like to bet?
You made me put on pants.